This is snatching the out of my edges. Y'all see my makeup look today? Yes, Fenty. Hey guys, it's Jodi. Welcome back to the channel.
My niche, play my role.
In yesterday's video, I asked you guys about the whole eco-styler situation, like if it's canceled, whether I think the ingredients are harmful, whether I still use it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna get through it, catch you up to speed. The overwhelming majority of you guys said yes. So we're here. What I'm gonna do is style my hair and chat with you guys. So is that okay? Good, good. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed, you guys, and y'all know I have my bob cut, so it's growing into itself. So if you guys are new to the channel, hey, welcome. I do my hair a lot. But if you guys are subscribed to my channel, you know that like every time I use gel, almost every time I use Eco Styler gel, and I use my big old gallon, which I'm going to show you guys later. But seriously, it was like one of the only styling products that was really good for my hair. The brush I'm using is my hubby's brush, and you guys commented on it a while ago. This joint right here is straight from Jamaica. It's like so coarse and it gets you laid every time. So I'm gonna go with the styling gelée, or the jelly. I'm adding some Jamaican black castor oil, organic. This one's straight from Jamaica. Someone sent it to me a while ago. They are called Rooted Treasure, 100% natural. And I love this oil because it's so thick that it slicks down your hair. Okay, so far so good. So I'm adding some of the styling jelly to my hair. I think as soon as I add it, I have to tie it up so it doesn't get frizzy. Ooh, yeah, see you guys? Shea Moisture got my hair together. Look at that. You don't have to use these. I just have a lot of them and they're like seamless, but you can use like a scarf. All right, so while my hair is setting, this is the pineapple ponytail. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. It's by Outre. It's called Timeless Pineapple Ponytail. They have like 6, I think. I have all 6. Don't ask me why. If you want me to review all 6, I definitely can. But this is how it looks. It doesn't look like much. It looks like a drawstring puff. But look, you guys. It has this like extension in the front that clips like in the front of your hair. So it has like this train in the front. You guys see that? Kind of like when you pineapple your natural hair. It has 2 clips, like one in the back. It has one in the back. And then one right here to hold your ponytail. And then it has a clip right here that you can, I don't know if you guys hear that you can clip on the front of your hair. But why did they put a clip? Like if this is supposed to be like some protective-ish style, why would they put like this clip? Not even one of the good clips. Like I hate these clips. No. So I think I'm just gonna leave it, because these things will snatch your hair before you realize it did. So this is Miss Pineapple Ponytail. I think I like this look. Like, you know, like when you put your hair in a ponytail and then like make like a bang, like that. You know, like that. Y'all know this look? I think that's what I'm gonna go for. Okay, I like this. Do you guys like this? Or do you just like this? This can be cute. But I love these ponytails, you guys. Definitely get one if you can. Super cheap. It's probably like 10 bucks. I probably paid like $9 and change for it. This is what it looks like. And maybe I can clip that clip over here. Ow, ow, no, no, no. I changed my mind. Ah! Ow! Ouch. This is snatching the out of my edges. I can't. I cannot. I don't know why they put that there. Maybe they should have put like, I don't know, maybe like a giant bobby pin where you can just slide it through. This is super cute. Like this would even be good for like teens. Probably not little kids. I wouldn't put my kid in this. Like, no, there's literally no reason. If they're bald, they're bald. I was bald as a little baby. And I just rocked my short hair until they grew out. But that is not what this video is about. So I'm just going to keep playing with it. See my makeup look today? Yes, Fenty. I used Trophy Wife and Trophy Wife and some more Trophy Wife and some more Trophy Wife. Like, I was feeling it today. So, okay, girls. So here's my ponytail. So cute, so quick. This is like the easiest 5-minute style. All right, you guys, so let's get into this eco styler controversy, or, you know, just my opinion on the whole situation. Now, the reason I didn't make like an entire video about it is because I personally don't think it's that serious. It didn't warrant a whole video. Plus, I want this channel to be about the style and the confidence. Yes, and as well as educating yourselves about what you're using in your lifestyle. So I just put 2 in 1. Now, what the people are saying and have been saying about Eco Styler Gel, let me grab my gallon. This is the Eco Styler Gel I use, and this is the olive oil one. And I've been using this for a while. It's become known as that like gel that moisturizes your hair and scalp, tames frizz, it has no flake, no itch, and UV protection, I guess. But it's like that one gel that makes your hair like still soft and not like super hard, especially since a lot of us are rocking our natural hair right now. It claims to be alcohol free. So to my knowledge of what people have been saying about this gel, or some variety of this gel, is that it either has harmful ingredients or they had a negative reaction to it. And I watched Brie Hall's video. I love her. I've even told her myself I'm her biggest fan. But I watched her video and I think she had like, let's just say she had a negative reaction to it, and she was trying to find a more natural alternative, and that just brought up the whole other debate again about its ingredients. Okay, this is a mouthful, so let me break it down. I am not a cosmetic chemist, you guys. Ironically enough, I have a degree in public health and I minored in chemistry, and I also did pharmaceutical sciences. So a lot of these ingredients I am familiar with, but it's like, if you're a beauty junkie, if you look at any product you own, any of like the 500 products you own, there's a lot of names you can't pronounce on these products. The 2 things that people have been having problems with is called tetrasodium EDTA, as well as like the fragrance, because some people might have a negative reaction depending on what fragrance they use. So do I think it causes cancer? I don't freaking know. There's no like scientific proof or study or anything like that, but you can research EDTA further, and I encourage you guys to just do your research on everything that you use in your beauty regimen. Experiment with what you don't like. As soon as you put something in your hair, does your hair react? Does it look flaky? Does it feel weird? And I feel like that's what I want to get out in this video, that you should just be more mindful of what you're putting on your body, what you're putting on your skin. Now, me personally, over the last couple of months, you guys have been seeing me like experiment with like different methods of doing things. So I did like my no gel ponytail, in which I only use like edge control and some water. Even in my last video, I didn't use any gel. I've been rocking my natural hair. I got a new bob cut. So it's all about like self-discovery. So basically what I'm trying to get at is that I've been having like allergic reactions and sensitivities to a lot of stuff, like on my skin, like things in my makeup I can't use anymore. I have to use only certain oils. Like, I cannot put coconut oil anywhere near my skin, my face. I drink me some coconut water, but like things like that. And I've been trying to find natural ways to do things out of necessity, only because I've been having negative reactions. So I think that if you have a negative reaction to this gel, there's a garbage can right there. There's a garbage can in every room in my house. Just throw that away. Like, so if someone says they want to cancel the product because it doesn't work for them, or that they saw a source that they believed that it was harmful to them personally, then yeah, definitely cancel it. It's just a freaking hair gel. There's like so many hair gels on the market. You could make your own hair gel. Natural 85 has a great flaxseed hair gel recipe. Now the other side of this, which used to be completely me, was that whatever products are cheap or work, I'm good. Like, I didn't really care that much back then. So if Eco Styler Gel works for you and you haven't been experiencing any negative side effects, and you will take it at face value that there's nothing in this that actually causes cancer, or you're not irritated by any of the ingredients, and you want to keep using it, be my guest. Will I continue using it? My hair actually likes this stuff. So what I'll do is I'll try it again and see if it works better than what I'm doing right now. And if it doesn't, I'll probably just replace the product for the simple fact that it doesn't work and it has a lot of crap in it anyway. But I mean, I knew that. I knew this was one of those products that they, you know, concocted and it looked good, it made your hair feel good or whatever the case is. And it was cheap. So like, I knew that going in. But what I want you guys to do is also know what you're putting on your hair. So is Eco Styler Gel canceled? It's up to you guys. You can do whatever you want to your hair. But what I am gonna do is do like more natural alternatives. This does not work for everyone. So I've been like experimenting. So maybe that's some things I will continue to share with you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm talking so fast. But definitely let me know if you want to see alternatives to like Eco Styler Gel, or things that you can make yourself, things that are all natural, things that are more beneficial, or if you want me to share my own hair journey, because y'all, my hair has been through it, my skin as well. Y'all have seen my skin. You know, this is one of the things I actually like about this community, is that we can just discuss things. Like on my channel, we can discuss it, you can say your opinion, and then we keep it moving. We're still family. Like, some things work for some girls and some things don't. And I'll continue to try what you guys want me to try, give my opinion on it, give you guys all the latest styles, of course. So let me know what you guys want to see next. Any of the things I mentioned in the video. Definitely check out my no gel ponytail. And yeah, my other videos. And don't forget to subscribe and sign up for notifications.
Thought I told you that this my niche. Play my role, what you hold, little boy, best don't reach. Your shit dirt, you get curved, I just saw and reap. With that ease, hella clean.